Introducing solid foods is an important milestone in your baby's life, and it's important to do it right to promote healthy development for your baby. It's important to wait until your baby is ready before introducing solids, which usually happens around 4 to 6 months of age. Can your baby sit up with support and hold their head up? Are they mouthing toys often or showing interest in food by watching you eat? If so, there are positive indicators that your baby could be ready to try solid foods. When you first start introducing solid foods, start with small amounts. You can begin by giving your baby 1 to 2 teaspoons of a single food and then gradually increase the amount over time during each meal. Try using the same ingredient at least 3 days in a row before moving on to another food so that you can keep an eye out for any reactions. As you first introduce solids, baby formula or breast milk will still be your baby's main source of nutrition, so be sure to use formula or breast milk throughout the day. Your cues can go a long way to encourage your little one to enjoy trying solid foods. If they see you enjoying a yummy solid food, they might want to join in on the fun. If you notice your baby turning their head away or pushing the food away, that can mean they're full and it's time to stop feeding them. Take your time and be prepared for things to get a little bit messy as your baby learns how to eat. It's not uncommon to see some spit up as your baby adjusts to solid foods. But if it becomes excessive or if your baby starts expressing pain or discomfort, don't hesitate to contact your doctor. Many parents like to start with vegetables or fruits like pureed peas, apples, or bananas, or a nutrient-fortified single-grain cereal that can be mixed with formula or breast milk as advised by your doctor. It's generally recommended to avoid foods that are spicy, high in sugar, salt, or fat. Do not give your baby any foods that are choking hazards. Instead, make sure that whatever you offer your baby is nice and soft. Introducing solid foods to your baby is an exciting milestone, and it's good to ease into it in a way that's fun and satisfying for your baby. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content to support you in your parenting journey, and visit us at Enfamil.com.